today's day trip we take you on a road trip to Wägitalersee in Switzerland. We love to travel around the world, but we also love to explore our beautiful Switzerland. Again and again we are surprised and overwhelmed by the beauty of Swiss nature. Whether in summer or like today in winter with snow-covered mountains and icy lakes.
We want to discover the hidden beautiful places of this world. We love to discover exciting cities, get to know people and cultures, but we can only really recharge our batteries in lonely nature. There's one more thing that is very, very important to us. We love good food. When we are in nature, we love to cook outdoor dishes. Today we cook chili con carne.
Not so easy to make a fire in the snow, but the great thing is you forget everything and only concentrate on the moment and the fire. This is absolutely relaxing.
We have a lot planned for this year. We want to discover different destinations in Europe and of course many places in Switzerland. Follow us and support our channel by subscribing. We look forward to the upcoming adventure trips. We want to inspire you and show you our most beautiful places.